So the question is, can dental implant be removed and cleaned like dentures? Do dental implants require more care and maintenance when compared with dentures? So it's a two-part question. The first part is, can dental implants be removed and cleaned like dentures? What the follower may be referring to is, looks like whenever you have the dental implants or dental implant retained prostheses, we call them. For example, this one right here. So this is a dental implant retained prosthesis, and this is a regular denture right here. So the regular denture works like this. So you just remove it, and you clean the denture, and you clean it with some clean water, or maybe with some denture solution, and then you put it back. But when you have those implants kind of snap on like this. How much you can see, but here, see, they don't come out just like the regular denture. Reese, can you hold that? Yeah. See, we can compare. See here? So they come out like that, but here, so you have a little bit of a grip. So when you have that, so you got to really pull them out. Once you take them out, you have those implants like this. So it is not a matter of removing those implants, but once you remove the dentures, yes, you should be able to clean around those implants. So the answer to your question is yes, you don't need to necessarily remove the whole implant to clean it, because the implants are inserted into the bone, but you can definitely, after removing the denture, you should be able to clean around those implants. So the second part of the question, do dental implants require more care and maintenance when compared with dentures? Yes, they do require more care. For example, when you remove the denture, so all you have to do is to kind of clean it with some water and with a regular toothbrush, and when you put them, you can put them on a denture cleaning solution, and you can put them back in your mouth. But whenever you have implants require some brushing, and when patients with dental implants, they come to our office, we show them kind of a different techniques, and particularly give them different kind of tools like special toothbrushes and things like that to remove the implant, to care for the implant. If you don't care for the implants are going to fail. Implants, as you know, they are a huge investment that you're making, and you don't want the implant to fail. So the ways that you care for the implants, you do two things. One, you return to your dentist for professional cleanings. I recommend cleanings around the implants as minimal as at least about 3 months, and then also you need to use those special tools such as the regular toothbrushes, and we call them sulcus brushes or end tufted toothbrushes.